In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write professional business emails with Grok AI. If you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to find the right words, this walkthrough will help you turn your ideas into a polished email, fast. First, open Grok AI. You can do this from the official Grok AI website in your browser, or through the Grok AI experience inside the X Twitter app on your device. Whichever route you choose, make sure you're on the official platform so your information stays secure. Next, open the chat interface. This is where you'll type what you need. Think of it like a conversation. You describe the situation and Grok turns it into an email. Now tell Grok what the email is about. Be specific about the purpose, whether it's a meeting request, a follow-up, a proposal, or an inquiry. Add helpful context such as who you're writing to, the outcome you want, any deadlines, and the overall tone you're aiming for, like formal, neutral, or friendly. Clear input produces clear output. Quick note before we continue. If you need access, there's a link to the official website, and a download link if you prefer the app, right at the top of the description so you can get started quickly. When you're ready, ask Grok to write the email. You can say something like, "Write a professional business email for this situation," or "Draft a formal email based on these details," and then paste your context. Grok will generate a clean draft that covers the essentials, including a subject line, greeting, concise body, and a professional sign-off. Review the draft carefully. Check that dates, times, and details are accurate, confirm the tone is appropriate, and personalize anything that needs your voice. If there's sensitive information or attachments to reference, make sure the message mentions them clearly and correctly. If you want changes, refine with another prompt. Ask Grok to shorten the email, make it more formal or more concise, adjust the level of detail, or simplify jargon. You can request multiple versions or ask for alternative subject lines until it feels just right. Small tweaks go a long way toward matching your brand and audience. That's the full process. With a clear prompt, Grok AI helps you move from idea to professional message in minutes. That's how you can write business emails quickly using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.